Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the POCO F3 GT versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So during this time I'll try to use the high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2. Let's see, after a long time using this kind of both phones, let's see which phone will be able to open these games and applications faster and which will be having really good RAM management even after this long time of usage. That's what this video is about, friends. And in case if you're having any other doubts on these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to help you out in solving your doubts as well. So during this time I'll try to do the speed test using 5 applications and 5 games. So this is going to be a really interesting test, friends, just to check how much capabilities of the OnePlus Nord 2 RAM management is and compared with the MIUI's RAM management. That's what this video is about. And first let me show you what kind of Wi-Fi connection both phones are connected to, because that's another pretty most important thing you should every time know whenever I try to do this kind of speed test comparison videos. So both phones are connected to the same kind of 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network exactly. You can clearly see, friends, all the apps should be completely clear from the background. And these are the 5 applications and 5 games which I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And during this time, as I said, I'll be using the high performance mode which is available in the OnePlus Nord 2. So clearly I did turn on the OnePlus Nord 2 high performance mode. Now we're gonna see definitely the boost up in the performance, I mean in the opening speeds. So that's what I meant. And these 5 games, I did not add them into the gain space or maybe game turbo, because if I try to add them, they'll try to clear from the background. So again, it's not possible for us to know about the RAM management. That's the reason I did not add them. So all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. You can clearly see, friends, that's perfect. And I'm trying to use the RAM boost which is present in this one. RAM boost, if you can go for the settings and go to the additional settings, RAM boost, and yes, I did turn on. Okay, that's also another one more thing which I was just mentioning. So let me start opening one by one application, starting with the first application which is a Google Chrome 1, 2 and 3. So next is Amazon. Not bad, very. Sometimes Amazon application takes some time to load, sometimes it does happen. Let me try to start again this Amazon application. Randomly it doesn't open properly. Second time it will try to open properly. As you can see the speed of the loading speed, how it is. So now I'll try to start with the mobile phones. Let me need to load this in the background. Next is a touch sampling rate. I just want to keep this in the background RAM management, this touch sampling rate application. Flipkart. And let's open this mobiles. Let's keep this in the mobiles in the background. Next is a speed test. Let's do the speed test between these both phones, 1, 2 and 3. So both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi connection, friends. That's something you should definitely understand. And right now most of the Wi-Fi is taken by the POCO F3 GT at this moment. But anyway, I just want to keep this in the background only. I'm trying to do this kind of testing, not to determine the speeds anyway. So in case if you want me to do any other comparison, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. So right now after these applications, there are 5 applications has been finished. Then we'll be moving to the game section, starting with the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. And that's going to be really interesting to see which phone open these games faster. And there is no performance mode in the POCO F3 GT at this moment. Maybe in the future updates we may be able to see that performance mode available. But right now there is no performance mode. But OnePlus Nord 2 is activated with the high performance mode anyway. So we're gonna see the difference, what is happening between both phones. So even after enabling the high performance mode as well, the POCO F3 GT was able to open that logo first. And right now it's updating the resources and everything when both phones are updating. I'll try to start this game again. Sorry for the disturbance, because right now I did not log in properly. That's something I thought of mentioning. I did log in one account. I think same account is there in both phones. I need to log in, log out and log in with other account. Let me need to do that right now. So right now I did log in using the different Gmail in this device. So both phones. Now let me go back. And now I'll try to close this game. It's only Battlegrounds mobile game I'm trying to close. Okay, I'm just trying to go to the home page. Again, let's start Battlegrounds mobile game second time. Let's see this time. So both phones are completely updated to the latest version and both having their own Gmail ID. So now it should be kind of fair test. So here comes the winner, POCO F3 GT. It was able to open fast, not bad. Wow. Still, I'm not sure why sometimes it automatically gets log out every time when I try to log in. So let me need to close it. It's kind of totally frustrating thing. So before it used to not happen, but with this latest update only this kind of problem is happening, because it was login before. Again, it got logged out automatically. So anyway, so let's do the test. So both phones, you can see how fast it's loading. I think the first, the Poco F3 GT, definitely trying to show the home page, and next OnePlus Nord 2. Just little bit difference, is there not much huge difference. Next, see the Call of Duty game, what happens, see. So maybe in the future, MIUI 12.13, I think not 12.13, maybe MIUI 13, we may get the performance mode enabled, I think. So hopefully, if there is performance mode, so definitely that can actually push a lot of limitations for the Poco F3 GT. That's what I'm expecting. But unfortunately, till now, I cannot find any kind of performance mode in this Poco F3 GT. So first phone to log in is the Poco F3 GT. It's logging in first, you can see. But first, OnePlus Nord 2 did log in first. As you can see, friends, not bad. The OnePlus Nord 2 was able to open first the Call of Duty game. Let's see the surface of game. So these are the very small games which I'm trying to open right now. So after opening all this, first phone to open is the Poco F3 GT, the surface of game. And next is a Candy Crush game which I'm going to start the testing. First Poco F3 GT again. And next is the Angry Birds 2. So really, most of the applications and the games, Poco F3 GT was able to keep up with the speed when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Even after long-term usage, this is another thing which I was just mentioning for you all. Right now, OnePlus Nord 2 did open first, then the Poco F3 GT. Finally, friends, all the 5 applications and 5 games are completely open from the starting to end. As you can clearly see, friends, everything is completely open. But in both phones, perfectly alright, right? Everything is perfect. All the apps and everything completely I did open. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start from the first application, which is the Google Chrome. Let's start from the beginning. Let's see which phone can actually keep this in the RAM management. So this is going to be really interesting. Try to watch very carefully from here. 1, 2 and 3. So Poco F3 GT did keep in the background RAM management. Next is Amazon application. Let's see the Amazon. 1, 2 and 3. Boom. So both phones did not keep that Amazon application. You can see that the exact phone is not there in the background RAM management. Next is a touch sampling rate. These lines, let's see these lines, which phone can keep it. 1, 2 and 3. Boom. So both phones cannot keep the lines in the background RAM management. As you can see, friends, clearly what is happening at this moment. The Poco F3 GT, maybe with the software updates, I think the RAM management sometimes it's kind of behaving like this, but let's see. Next is a Flipkart. 1, 2 and 3. Flipkart, both phones did keep. Yes, not an issue. Let's see about the speed test. Let's start here. Speed test 1, 2, 3. The Poco F3 GT did keep the results in the background RAM management. You can clearly see, friends. As you can see, the speed test is absolutely there without any kind of issues, but not there in the OnePlus Nord 2. And next is a games, which is a Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see this game. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So Battlegrounds mobile game there in the Poco F3 GT without any kind of problem. It did not close, but in the OnePlus Nord 2, it did close. Let's open from this one right now. Call of Duty game is there in both phones, not bad. And next is the Subway Surf game is there in the Poco F3 GT. In the OnePlus Nord 2, it's not there. Candy Crush game also there in the Poco F3 GT. Angry Birds game also there in the Poco F3 GT. So in the Poco F3 GT, the apps which are not there is Amazon application and the touch sampling rate application. These two apps are not there in the background RAM management, but rest of the applications are completely there in the Poco F3 GT. In the OnePlus Nord 2, I think only Call of Duty is there and Flipkart is there. Call of Duty, Flipkart, these two applications were there in the background RAM management. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, this is a quick speed test and the RAM management test comparison side by side. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Bye.